Big immigration changes are on the horizon, taking effect starting May 2025. If you're planning to apply for a U.S. visa or green card, now is the time to understand what's changing and how it affects you. The family-based green card process is shifting. Applicants will now rely on a separate filing chart, not the final action dates, to determine when they can submit adjustment of status applications. This gives families a chance to file earlier and better prepare, even if visas aren't immediately available. For example, if you're applying under the F2A category as the spouse of a U.S. citizen, this filing chart becomes critical to your timeline. Starting April 11, 2025, all non-U.S. citizens aged 14 and older who plan to stay in the United States for more than 30 days must register with USCIS. This includes submitting biometric data, such as fingerprints, through a new form called G3205R. Children under 14 must be registered by a parent or guardian. Once they turn 14, they're required to re-register within 30 days. The goal: stronger tracking and improved national security. Employment-based green card applicants will now follow a more restrictive timeline. USCIS will use only the final action dates from the visa bulletin to determine eligibility to file. If your priority date hasn't reached the listed cutoff, you'll have to wait. This measure is intended to reduce backlogs and improve case management. Security screening is becoming more intense. Applicants will now have to provide 5 years of social media history and 2 years of travel history. Non-immigrant visa seekers, like tourists and students, must also prove strong ties to their home country, whether that's a job, property ownership, or close family. These steps are part of broader fraud prevention and national security efforts. If you're applying under the EB-5 investor program from China or India, prepare for delays. Due to high demand, the visa backlog is growing, and wait times could now exceed 2 years. Legal advice and careful planning are more important than ever. Meanwhile, the EB for visa category, covering religious workers and special immigrants, has reached its limit for the 2025 fiscal year. No new visas will be issued under this category until October 1st, when the new fiscal year begins. Staying compliant with USCIS rules is also tightening. Anyone who moves must report their address change within 10 days by filing Form AR-11. Skipping this step can result in penalties or even impact your immigration status. Attention to detail matters more than ever. Starting in April 2025, the barcode on your visa application form must exactly match the barcode used when booking your interview. A mismatch means automatic denial and a new appointment. Also new, all required documents must be uploaded at least 72 hours before your visa interview. No changes are allowed after submission. That means everything needs to be accurate and complete from the beginning. And finally, if you're applying for a green card based on asylum or refugee status, prepare for longer wait times. New background check procedures are leading to indefinite delays in some cases. If your case is affected, work closely with an experienced immigration attorney. These updates mark a major shift in U.S. immigration policy. If you're applying, renewing, or adjusting your status, being informed and proactive is no longer optional. It's essential. Stay tuned, subscribe for updates, and don't miss the latest on how to protect your immigration journey.